Back in 2016, I had an idea to build my own jumps and film a video on them. For months, all my spare time went into this project. I got the opportunity to update the Fernie bike park. Over the years, this park has had so many contests and videos, it has become one of the most recognized dirt jump parks. We gave these jumps a new flavor and a new beginning. I can't wait to see people enjoy these jumps for years to come. Years later, I am happy to call this my job.